In this video, we'll be replacing the driver's side mirror glass in this 2007 Mazda CX-9. It's going to be the same for the first generation from 2007 to 2015. Process will also be the same for the passenger side. So our vehicle has a little add-on piece of mirror here that we're going to remove just to get it out of the way. So now to remove our glass, we're going to get in behind with a pry tool. And from here we can actually get our fingers in behind here and pop our glass off. There's going to be a few points of contact, the main one being in the center. And you will have a couple of wires behind here for heated glass. We're going to go ahead and remove our wires. Now they're the same color. If they were different colors, you'd want to remember what orientation they were in. So we have the same color wire. And they're in a clip on the top here. We'll go ahead and pull them out of that clip. We can remove our mirror glass. So we can take our mirror glass, we're going to spin it around, we're going to plug in our electrical connections first. Now remember, they're both purple in this case, so we don't have to worry about top and bottom. We're going to run the cables around and make sure they're in to this little cable retainer up top here. And then we're going to rotate the mirror into the housing, and we're going to try and, from the top side here, align a couple of those areas, or the ball, at least the bottom here. Once you get it into position and lined up, just press in. So it looks like we have all three lined up. We're just going to press in. Now, you can barely see in from the side, but if you can, see if all three are lined up and locked in place. There you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.